Hello everyone, I am super happy and in high spirits. Hamatan is here, and you know what that means? It means that Christmas is close, and I love Christmas. In fact, I've started making plans to travel to my village for Christmas. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Omar here on a Monday afternoon, and we are on our way to the newest construction site in Umahia, Abia State. I learned of this road construction on Saturday, and on Monday I decided to go there and bring you latest updates on this road construction as it dey hot. We started from Aba Road. We are still in Aba Road, and this is Saclos. We are heading to Bank Road where the construction is ongoing. Thank you so much for clicking and watching this video, and a big shout out to all my subscribers and my returning viewers. You're my number one. Onudim Nobi. The road is not busy. It was in the afternoon. People have gone to work and school. It's busier in the morning and in the evening when people are going and when they are coming back. I am grateful that you're watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to this channel if you are yet to be a subscriber or if you are a new viewer. This is Umahia, beautiful city, beautiful people. So let's go to Bank Road and see what's happening there. So this is Bank Road, and this was what I saw. They are doing the drainages, although I expected to see more workers and heavy duty machines everywhere, but I didn't. Maybe it's because they are just starting, or maybe they didn't come yesterday, but they have done a reasonable amount of work on the drainage for this part of the road, and we hope to see more. So let's continue till we go down. I think they are doing the work from down to up. They started from Fidelity Bank and they are working it up. So that is it. Share your thoughts with me in the comment section. From here we are heading to gate, and that is where we are going to end this video. Thank you so much for watching this video to this extent. Please make sure you watch this video to the end.